Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Polygon's price chart and see what is happening just in this move starting from the lowest low, which in this chart from crypto.com it's about, let's say, 17 cents. Now pay attention to this. I think there is a decent chance that overall in this area we may have a corrective movement on the upside and not an impulsive structure. Why is that? Because this is not really that much of a strong move down, and in it, as you can see, between our pullbacks we are constantly having overlapping of the waves, which is a very important characteristic of a corrective movement. So what is it that I'm trying to say? I'm trying to tell you in Polygon we may have overall a correction into this wave 4, and after it's over we may have another move down into wave 5, and then at that point we are going to hit our final bottom. And in terms of how low can we go, I think we can reach to about here, somewhere around, let's say, like 19 to 20 cents, and then our move down is probably going to be over. Now this is a very important point. This doesn't mean that from the current point we are going to get like a straight move down. No, in fact, in the short term, let's zoom in more. Let's actually delete this impulse on the downside. Okay, what do we have in here? This is a very classic descending channel, and recently it seems like that we got a break of it. Now, in the short term, I want to see a pullback, a slow and choppy move. And then if this happens, that means we are probably going to see after this pullback phase a continuation of the move up. Does this mean that if we get this thing at that point, for example, around here, we are going to be extremely optimistic in Polygon? No, definitely not at that point, because you are going to see me that this is probably still some sort of a WXY or maybe even an ABC structure. Now, let's say that from here, maybe we are going to have like a very strong move down. Are you going to see me right in here calling the absolute bottom in Matic? Absolutely not. Why is that? Because this to me is by no means a buy opportunity. And if you are a regular viewer of the main channel, you know what I'm about to say. A buy opportunity for me happens when I see a very strong bounce off of the lowest low, and then after it a very slow and choppy move down in order to have a decent pullback and also fill some gaps that were created as a result of this bounce being a bit too fast. And then right in here, assuming that I can find the right structures, I'm going to say this is a buy opportunity. So the point that I'm trying to say is this: it doesn't really matter whether in Polygon this is our final bottom or maybe we are going to have one more move down. One way or the other, these areas for me are not buying opportunities when it comes to trading. In terms of my investments, okay, that is a way different story. And by every single dip that we get in Matic, I'm just going to buy more and more in order to get my average purchase as low as possible, and in hope that we get the next phase of the bull run, which in it I still believe that we are going to set an all-time high and take the highest side somewhere around $3. So for now, in the short term, all eyes should be on this pullback, and then I'm hoping that we are going to have a move on the upside. And followed by that, if you see something like this, a strong move down, don't really be worried about that. That is going to be very, very normal. And I hope I explained that well and you understood what is going on in Polygon. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.